We have been pioneering in opening up the area of two-finger haptics internationally. And this particular mechanism shows our latest version of our two-finger haptic system. So you can see in the mechanism there are two black things which sort of poke out and connect to your fingers through these things called thimbles. And what this allows us to do is control the forces that we apply to the finger. And by controlling those forces in a sensible way, we can recreate anything. We can recreate solid things like balls and cups. We can also recreate more ethereal things like the forces in a molecule, or the forces that are present in fluid flows as the cytoplasm diffuses around the membrane. One of the things we're starting to look at using this particular mechanism, how platelets can form around an area of damaged artery or vein, and trying to understand that process from a mechanical point of view, a very important part of understanding the overall science. And we're exploring whether we can use this particular approach into understanding that mechanical process, primarily because it lets people who are non-technical in the engineering sense to explore some of these ideas.